Yeah, we down to Suite 105 right now. It's crazy. 8 seconds about. Let's look at the clock. Let's look at the clock. This is for the YouTubers. Cause they all sleeping right now. Go to work. Who's working? Let me see. Who's that? It's a D.O. I thought you... Aren't you Shorty Black's manager?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Right now I'm managing to write this rhyme for the anchor.
Managed to get this shit out your face. Alright, leave you alone, player. It's been a long night. We just actually stepped in here. Tech was working all night long on this other joint. It was tight. It was definitely plush.
Yeah, what time is it, man? It's like 2 o'clock in the morning.
It's like 2. We ain't smelling good, as you can see.
We ain't got the smell of it.
We ain't. Yeah, if you could be here. It's a lot of sweat and tears. That's where the goings will be going on in a minute.
Might as well smoke a cigarette.
Oh, y'all know who that is. Y'all hearing them too.
Yeah. It's poppin'.
Chillin', man.
Feet killer and motherfucking flesh, motherfucker.
Just so y'all don't think we on like we messaging each other and shit. And the nigga behind the camera is the most hated, most loved, most faded, most goved, most played in your girl's bathtub. Make bubbles, nigga. That's B. We out.